Welcome back to Drive Hub, the place where innovation on wheels comes to life. Today we are diving into one of the most futuristic and exciting creations in the compact adventure world, the VR Honda Camper Tricycle. This incredible machine blends virtual reality tech, mobility, and camping convenience into one unique package built for explorers who love freedom without giving up comfort. Imagine riding down a quiet mountain road on a sleek Honda tricycle designed for stability and smooth performance. The VR Honda Camper Tricycle takes that experience even further by adding an immersive VR-assisted navigation system. As you ride, you can switch to a panoramic VR mode that overlays live information such as road conditions, weather updates, terrain alerts, and scenic highlights. This not only boosts safety but also enhances your journey, letting you explore new routes with confidence. The camper module is compact yet thoughtfully designed. When parked, the rear section unfolds into a cozy micro-camper that fits one or two travelers depending on setup. Inside, you get a foldable sleeping platform, built-in ventilation, and LED strip lighting that creates a warm interior glow during nighttime camping. The small but functional storage compartments allow you to keep essentials like tools, cooking gear, chargers, and personal items neatly organized during long rides. One of the most impressive parts of the VR Honda Camper Tricycle is its power system. It features a hybrid electric engine that provides strong torque for uphill travel while remaining energy efficient for long distances. Riders can charge gadgets using USB ports powered by the onboard battery. Some versions even come with a small detachable solar panel that helps top up the system during the day. This means more time outdoors without worrying about running out of power. Handling on this tricycle is surprisingly smooth thanks to Honda's engineering. It has a stable three-wheel frame, reliable suspension, and ergonomic handlebars that make long rides comfortable. Whether you're exploring crowded city streets or cruising through open countryside, the tricycle responds gently and maintains balance easily. Braking is also strong and dependable, giving riders full control even on steep or uneven terrain. The VR integration is what makes this tricycle truly next level. Through a lightweight VR visor, riders can access interactive maps, campsite finders, and travel guides in real time. You can even switch to a scenic mode that enhances the beauty of your surroundings with special visual overlays, making every ride feel magical. And don't worry, the system is designed with safety in mind, ensuring that VR elements never block essential road visibility. If you're someone who loves compact campers, adventurous rides, or futuristic tech, the VR Honda Camper Tricycle opens a completely new world of travel possibilities. It's perfect for solo explorers, digital nomads, and weekend travelers who want a portable and stylish escape machine. This is Drive Hub, bringing you the most innovative vehicles from around the world. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing builds, hit the like button if you enjoyed this walkthrough, and share your thoughts in the comments. The adventure continues right here on Drive Hub.